paano i-lower ang SGPT, SGOT? So usually po, ito po ay dulot most of the time talaga ng mataas nating carb intake. So, mataas na SGOT, SGPT, kadalasang rason, nagsastart ng mag-impok yung inyong liver ng taba. So, nagagaling yung tabang iniimpok ng liver. It's from the excess carbs po. It's not so much the cholesterol that comes from the food. It's really from mataas na insulin stimulation. Yung direct na pag-iimpok doon sa ating atay ng taba. What can you do about it? Pinaka-effective dyan, ano ba? Cut down yung inyong carb intake. Ikalawa, extended fast, kapatid. You actually have 24 hours to empty your liver. So pag na-empty mo yung liver na yan, may ibsan yung mga fatty liver na yan, yung nagsistart na maging damage dyan sa liver ninyo, magsistart po yan mag-heal. So extended fast po, kapatid, ang kailangan dyan. Ang extended fast, hindi yan ginagawa basta-basta without understanding. May hirapan po kayo kung hindi kayo sanay mag-low carb, tapos bigla lang kayo mag-extended fast dahil po maraming side effects. So I suggest, download yung food guide and mag-low carb muna tayo. Then kapag sanay na tayo mag-low carb, then we can do our extended fasting. Maganda rin, kapatid, that we offer it to the Lord. Hingi tayo ng wisdom sa Panginoon, hingi tayo ng strength sa Kanya habang tayo nagfa-fasting po. Natural na estado yung pagfa-fasting. May built-in mechanism po tayo to deal with that.